Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fill in your eyebrows and using brow gel or brow mascara to keep them still throughout the day. And yeah, so first of all we're going to be brushing the eyebrows. So I'm going to be using the Nude By Nature eyebrow brush, and it comes with a spoolie at one end and a eyebrow brush on the other end. You guys can see. Okay, so after we've brushed the eyebrows, we're going to fill them in. So yeah, let's get right to it. I'm going to be using the Too Faced chocolate bar palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Triple Fudge. You guys can see here. To fill in my eyebrows, and yeah, using the eyebrow brush I showed you guys. So using this part, so just gonna tap in, then tap off the excess. So first what you want to do is just go on the corner of the eyebrow and just keep going down, keep blending, going down. And brushing your eyebrow hairs as you go. And you're just gonna blend a bit here. Just blend a bit here. Now we're gonna do the tail part. So I just tapped in once to the shade, and tapped off the excess. And putting it on the corner of the eyebrow. Okay, once that's done, you're going to get the brow gel. Yeah. So we're going to be using the Maybelline New York Brow Drama Sculpting Brow Mascara in the color Transparent. You guys can see. And yeah, so just gonna dip and then just dipped it in, and then just make sure you get like the excess product off. So brushing the eyebrow hairs towards their natural direction. And yeah, there you have it. So this is how I do my eyebrows. So I'll just show you guys the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to get notified when I upload videos. And follow me on Instagram at thisisalane. See you guys soon. Bye.